This is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Saeco aroma espresso machine. It comes to us with, it was like really slow and giving bad shots and struggling with brewing. So when I tested, I found out that the water pump was like it's broken and needs to be replaced, and the whole machine needs a tune-up, and the mushroom valve also get replaced. So let's, and yeah, and also the porter filter got really deep cleaning and not to put the steam on. So let's go ahead and test it and make a espresso shot on it. I like those machines. Usually it's brewing a really great shots when it works. How it's stable, no weird sounds, and giving really great thick crema. And by the way, this is regular basket on this portafilter. Wow, this is really amazing shot. Look at this, really thick crema, 3 layers, and it looks really tasty. So let's test the steamer. It takes a bit until it gets hot. Something good with this machine. It's really great. I like it. So it's perfect. And you see the hot water too. I don't know if I can show this way. Hot water also works perfect. So all the functions in this machine works as new. Now, thank you for watching.